Welcome back to How to Fit. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective and underrated core exercises, the plank. It may look simple, but don't be fooled. This static move can transform your entire body. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, stick around. Your abs will thank you.
A plank is an isometric core exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up for as long as possible. It's a full-body workout that especially targets your core, shoulders, arms, and glutes, all without any equipment.
Benefits of doing planks. 1. Strengthens your core. Planks engage your abs, obliques, and lower back, improving posture and balance. 2. Improves posture. By working your core and back muscles, planks help you stand taller and sit straighter. 3. Reduces back pain. A strong core supports your spine, reducing stress and pain in the lower back. 4. Boosts metabolism. Holding a plank burns more calories than other core exercises. 5. Enhances flexibility. Side planks and variations help stretch and strengthen muscle groups you use daily.
How to do a perfect plank. Let's go step by step. 1. Start in a forearm position. Elbows directly under your shoulders, hands flat or in fists. 2. Extend your legs straight back, toes on the ground. 3. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 4. Engage your core. Tighten your abs like someone's about to punch your stomach. 5. Hold the position. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and build up over time.
Common mistakes to avoid. Sagging hips. This strains your lower back. Always keep your hips in line. Butt too high. You're not doing yoga. Keep your body straight. Looking up or ahead. Keep your neck neutral. Gaze down. Holding too long with bad form. Quality matters more than time. Stop if your form breaks.
Remember, fitness isn't about doing 1,000 crunches. It's about smart, effective moves like the plank. Just a few minutes daily can lead to visible results and better strength. So start today, even if it's just 20 seconds. Stay consistent, challenge yourself, and your core will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Fit for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay fit.